Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video section, I will tell and show you how you can easily update WhatsApp on your iPhone to the latest version. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also be sure to write your comments and put likes under this video. And let us get started with you friends. And to begin with, to update the WhatsApp app, you will need to open the App Store. Next, when you open the App Store on your iPhone, go to the search page on the bottom right. Then in the search bar, type the word WhatsApp. Click on it, and now you will need to open this app. Next, if your WhatsApp on your device is not updated, then you will then have the word update instead of the word open. You will have to tap on it and wait for some time for the app to update. This can take up to 2 minutes in terms of time. After that, you'll be able to open this app and use the already more updated version of WhatsApp. You don't have to worry about any of your data getting lost during the update. All the data is saved and all your correspondences, photos, videos, and so on will be saved in this app. With this very quick and simple method, you can easily update WhatsApp app to the latest version on any iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, be sure to subscribe to our channel and write your comments, friends. Bye bye everyone.